Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to unbox Gorilla tripod and Surety tripod for camera and smartphone. So guys, let me start with this one. It came with a clamp for your mobile and let's see what else. Yeah, this is the shutter Bluetooth remote. This is you can use it to take shoots from afar, like just by clicking it, and that's it. And then let's see what else. This is the manual. Yeah, you can take the guidance of this manual to know how to use this tripod. So guys, this is it, okay, just exactly the way I saw in online, and it's flexible. Yeah, you can adjust it anyhow you want. You can bend it, you can, like, it's flexible, really flexible. Any angle you want to shoot, you can do it easily. As you can see, you can stretch it, you can fold it, you can, it's really flexible, and it's really good when you want to take shoots from different angles. There will be no shaking anymore, like really flexible. I love it already. So this is it, guys. This is the Gorilla tripod. So far so good. I think I love this one. It's good. Let's see what it will do. I love it. I love it. It's really flexible, like, and it's elastic. It can break, so I think it can carry as much weight as possible. According to the manual, they are saying it can carry up to 1.5 kg. Let's fix it and let's try. Yeah, it's adjustable. The clamp is adjustable. You can adjust to the size of your phone. If your phone is bigger, you can adjust. Smaller, you can still adjust also the camera and all that. Yeah, if you want to keep your phone horizontal or vertical, you can just adjust this way. So it has screw up and down. So that's it, guys. And then it came also with this remote. You can take shots from afar by just pressing that remote. And then I will use this small Gorilla tripod to shoot this one. Okay, I bought this one. This one is Surety lightweight tripod. Okay, so it came with this bag. You can just hang on your shoulder and carry along. It's suitable for travel. It also came with this clamp that is adjustable according to the size of your phone. So it can also carry, they say, 2.5 weight. That's kg. I don't know, but we will just try to see. But for phone, I'm sure it will be possible. I don't know camera weight. I don't know. I don't think there is a phone that will weigh up to 5 kg. Okay, this is it. Let's see. That's the manual. Okay, that's it. I love black color. That's why I chose this. It came also with other colors. There was silver, gray, and other colors. So this is the adjustable handle for adjusting the angle you want to use. You can easily adjust like that, and these stands are also adjustable depending on what height you want to shoot your video or take your photos from. So this is it, guys. So this tripod is suitable for travel. You can take videos while vlogging, no more shaking. It gives a different angle of shooting. You can shoot from anywhere, like you can shoot as you sleep. You can extend you can extend no matter how tall you are, or you want to take a high shoots. You can just extend distance, and that's it. You can also reduce. This is the minimum height, so you can't reduce beyond this. This is the minimum height. So these are the key features. They say designed for mobile, DSLR camera, SLR camera. They say load capacity is 250 grams, height 415 meters, number of legs section is 4. Okay guys, so this clamp is adjustable. You can adjust the height of this camera. You can let's clamp it and try it to see for ourselves how it will be like. As we are talking right now, I'm using the Gorilla one to shoot this video as I unbox this Surety tripod. Yeah, let's try with this bigger phone and see how it is. Okay, this one came also with a shutter button, Bluetooth. It's wireless, so you can take shoots from anywhere by just pressing this, and you are good to go. So this is it here, and you can actually yeah, it came two of them, and you can replay. You can buy separately if in case you misplace or damage. You can just buy another spare one, but thank God this one came with two, so we are okay. And then let's clamp it and see. So far so good. I think we are good to go. At least I'll be taking videos from this and the other one depending on the height of where I want to shoot the videos from. So this one is good for outdoors, indoors, travel, and everywhere. The other one also is good for flexibility. You can take from while sleeping, you can take while seated, standing, and any angle you want to take. That's the advantage of the other one. And this one is height also. You can adjust to the highest height. You can see. That's it guys. You can see after mounting, that's how it is. So guys, thank you so much. This is our tripod. From now onwards you will get videos that don't shake. Okay, steady videos. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Kindly leave comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you think about this, and if you have any question about this, I will answer it in the comment section below. I will also leave the description to these tripods in case you want to purchase one, and if you need any review, just type in the comment section. I will give you a genuine review of this after using for some time. Thank you guys. Bye.